new to dual asset? If you're a new trader interested in dual asset, this video is for you. This video will explain more about dual asset as a trading tool and the benefits you can enjoy. Let's get started. Dual asset is a short-term speculation vehicle that lets you capitalize on small price movements in the market. Now you can enjoy enhanced yield on your capital. All you have to do is predict the direction of a given crypto asset, such as BTC, ETH, BIT, and more, within a preset time frame. Upon maturity, your returns will be in the form of either USDT or your chosen crypto asset, depending on the outcome of your trade. There are several optimal times you may use dual asset. First, when there's low market volatility or small price movements. Secondly, if an asset price drops and you predict that it may eventually rise. Third, perhaps in a bear market when you expect prices to dip further and you're comfortable accumulating the crypto asset. If you want to earn higher yields and don't mind receiving your crypto back in an alternate asset, and there are small price movements between the two crypto assets you've chosen, this tool is perfect for you. The first benefit of dual asset is yield enhancement. Earn an enhanced return if your prediction of the market direction is accurate. The next benefit of dual asset is short tenure. You can increase the returns of your capital in the short term. Dual asset is generally short term, ranging from 1 to 5 days. Your assets don't need to be locked up too long, thus increasing your flexibility. Lastly, choose from a wide variety of crypto assets, including BTC, ETH, BIT, Link, and many more. All in all, if you're looking to make quick profits in the short term, dual asset is for you. Enjoy enhanced yields while accumulating more of your preferred crypto. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Stay tuned to our channel for dual asset trading guides.